What's up, Rando Breaks? So first time opening of Blizzard Legacy Collection. Played World of Warcraft growing up from when it came out, 2003, 2004. Played for about 7 years and then just ran out of time as being an adult stood in the way. So I had to do that. Let's see what we get here from this blaster box. I looked a little bit into hits to look for. Colored refractors. There is one of ones you can go for here as well. Obviously, odds not super good on that, but let's check it out. Just being a fan, I played Overwatch as well, played Starcraft. I should recognize Lucio. Is it Lucio? No. I should recognize definitely a lot of the characters from here. So we have 7 packs. Let's bust right into them here and see what we get. A little Diablo action on the back there. Nice thick cards. Bronzebeard. Whisperwind. Bronzebeard again. From Overwatch, we got Bridget. We have a red Joanna, not numbered, but red. I'm assuming red is more rare. I have to look into that again. Sorry for not having it all memorized. Lothar, nice. Zergling, Starcraft. And Inaris, one of the angels. Cool. So let's just make an assumption that the red card is our hit for that pack. Again, I apologize for not knowing 100%. But again, nice thick cards. I like these. We'll put that up there as a hit because we don't really know. But it was different than all the other cards, so I bet it is somewhat of a hit. All right, let's check it out. Rexar. That's a main character. Oh, nice. Kalthas, Sunstrider. I remember that raid. Sigma. All right, another red hit. Maybe 1 red hit per pack. Ren. Don't know. Luthar again. Leah. I like the art on these cards. They look good. Wildhammer and Probe. Starcraft as well. Starcraft Ghost. Remember that game? I don't think it really took off. All right, next pack. Orphea. Raynor. Ha, Murloc. Murky the Murloc. Nice. Tyrael. All right, red hit. Lost Vikings. Sure. But anything guaranteed in every pack is guaranteed not to be worth much. Pretty cards. Medivh. It's funny, I was on server Medivh. Oh, nice. Brightwing. Red hit. All right, no more putting red hits up. They're just common hits. Rexar again. So I think it's safe to say we haven't hit anything yet because everything looks the same. But maybe I'm wrong, let me know. Deathwing. Nice. Thought Deathwing was a dragon. Maybe I'm confused. Shadow Song. Reaper. Sylvanus. Genji with the red hit. Nice. Ogre. 2 packs left. Gul'dan on the back. Lost Vikings 2. Old school. Winston. May. Oh, we got our first hit. Oh, it's a cube hit. Okay. Piece of the cube. So you can actually pop these out and build a cube from Diablo. It's kind of cool. I don't think they're super hard to get in a booster box. You get not booster box, but hobby box. You get all six pieces, I believe. Illidan, nice. Go down. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. Hellscream. Lucio. Lost Vikings again. There's our red hit. Again, great looking cards. I don't think we got anything worth reviewing, but have a good day, y'all. Warcraft Legacy.